Guys, today we're crashing cars in Road Crash. This is the game named Road Crash, guys. No, it's Cars Super Protect. Oh, bro. Really? Do you not know how to drive? Little Timmy be driving. Yo, move. Hey, no speeding. That's against the law. I must ram into you for speeding. Yo, bro, backed up. What is the drift controls? Yo, bro, what are these controls? Yo, I hate these drift controls, guys. Bro, if the game developers watching this, can you make your cars less drifty? Yo, my car. I paid $100 for this. I'm suing you for damages now. Oh, what happened? Oh! Yo, what happened? Damn. Driving in my car right after a beer. Yo. I want to do it again. Driving in my car right after a beer. Yo, wait, that van just flipped over. Driving in my car right after a beer. What the hell just happened over there, guys? Driving in my car right after a beer. Yo. Driving in my car right after. Oh, Jew. Oh. That wasn't true. My car's broken. Why is bro driving a double-decker bus anyways? Hey, there's the police station now. Let's drive reckless so we get arrested. Beep. I'm driving in my car right after a beer. I missed it. What is the drift controls? No, what are these drift controls? Oh no. Driving in my car right after a beer. Yo! That car was coming straight towards me. I was like, no problem. Oh, hell no. Oh! Oh, they almost crashed. Heh. Why is this car undestroyable? But it's not that fast. Whee! Oh, damn. Oh! Help! Driving in my car. Driving in my car right. Wait, no, never mind. Driving in my car. Driving. Yo, bro. Driving in my car right after a beer. DIY. Imagine you just see that driving. Oh, I said it's flying. All right, bye guys. See you tomorrow.